thought that people hated planning, and 90% of the people actually didn't mind planning and preferred to do it. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in another video. We are back again with another update in this Building a SaaS in Public series. As far as my weekly update, we did a lot this last week, but the two main things that I'm super happy about is team member inviting feature and Google Offload. So before we already had Google Off for just like, for signing up and logging in, but now you can also integrate, we have two key integrations now, Google Calendar and Google Forms. So if you wanna connect those integrations, you can do that, and that's done through the Google Offload. Also, we have the team member invite. So if you have a team, other developers working with you, you can invite them to give them a certain amount of access to your portal on Product Land. So super excited about that. And if you watch the next minute, you'll actually see a little demo of that invite flow. So pretty much you come into this like team portal that you only see if you're admin, and you can invite somebody. We have some email validation, checking that it's a valid one and it's not somebody that's either on your team or you've already invited. You're gonna send that. You should get an email eventually that looks similar like this. We'll obviously update this. So when you click the link, it'll take you to a page like this. Preload your email, you should enter a password. Create your account. If everything looks right, cool. Everything's good. It takes you back to the landing page. We'll probably change this later to load you in, but for now it takes you here. Then you log in. Enter that password, and bam, you're in now. So there you have it. There's a quick demo. I'm super excited about this new feature because I think a lot of people are going to use this and actually require this. As far as the topic of the day, which is pivoting, I'm not pivoting from the idea of an AI-powered product manager, but who the target audience is. So if you're watching this, you're probably somebody learning how to code, somebody is an active software engineer or developer, or maybe just like my type of content, which I super appreciate that. But that was my target audience before, was people working on personal projects, side projects, or someone like me that is working on something but a very early stage by themselves. Well, turns out is with all the feedback and surveys I got, is I had a lot of great insights. And one is that people would use this, and that 60-80% of people thought that this could help. But one key reason why I built this thing was because I thought that people hated planning, and 90% of people actually didn't mind planning and preferred to do it. But they did see the value in that this could help. But because it's just them, they know their application, it's just them, they don't need to, they're kind of just doing things fast. These are side projects, they may not be taken serious, or maybe it's a personal project, so it doesn't have to be a full-out planning process. So while there is a market for this, it's not as big. But what I did run into is a lot of startups who would use this. So what we're doing is same idea, but we're targeting early-stage startups that have small teams that cannot afford a product manager. That research we kind of found out that those people and those companies would think this would be super valuable. But people that work on side projects at home, because they're not taking it super serious and they're just trying to learn something or do something for fun, they probably might use this, but not as extensively. As far as what that entails in Product Land is 80% of functionality still works for Product Land for startups. And we were advertising before it was for startups, but I think the key audience was actually indie hackers and personal projects. By FYI, if you hear the baby in the background, I'm sorry, she's getting a diaper change. But yes, so what changes is some of the features we add and some features we take away. So I'm looking forward to see what Product Land turns into, and I have some big news coming forward. So I'm going to share that probably in the next week or two. But for now, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys tune into the next one. Look, it's fine. It's just fireworks.
Yeah, I'm cute.